Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be unboxing the OnePlus Nord device, as you can see here. So after a long time, I got this mobile phone, friends, because of this situation, pandemic. So that's why there's a little bit delay in my unit. So finally, here is the box, and right now I'll be unboxing. And if you want any other comparison with any other smartphone, Realme X2, Redmi K20 Pro, or whatever phones I'm having in my channel, so do comment below. So I'll try to make a videos on that one as well in terms of the comparison and to benchmark or display or anything. So if you want any other interesting videos on the OnePlus Nord, so try to comment below. So definitely I'll go through the comments and I'll try to make as much as videos possible on the OnePlus Nord device. The unit which I'm ordered is a 8GB and 128GB variant model. So let me try to unbox here. So as you can see, friends, here is a phone unit itself. So this is a OnePlus Nord. This is the color which I ordered. It looks pretty lightweight in terms of holding. So definitely I can feel the lightness in the OnePlus Nord device. So let me try to see what are the other contents we do get in the box as well. So let's see, is there any case or not. So that is another concern for me. So thank God there is a transparent case here. So which is also pretty good design as well on the back side. So not like the normal transparent case, so it's a very good thing. And we do have the 30-watt fast charging as well, rapid charging from the OnePlus. So this is the box contents, and remaining all the warranties, everything will be here. So finally, friends, the OnePlus Nord is here, and definitely I'll try to do so many other comparison videos with the in terms of the display, comparing mainly with the Realme X2 Pro and Realme X2, or even other smartphones as well. So if you're following my channel for a very long time, you will be knowing how many videos I'll be doing each and every smartphone in my channel. So as you can see here, each and every phone I'll be trying to make as much as videos possible. So right now, same thing with the OnePlus Nord as well. So very soon I'll be trying to cover as much as videos possible on this OnePlus Nord device. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to comment below as well. So what are the videos you are interested in the OnePlus Nord device? So first impressions is that I do feel it's very light phone. So that's the first thing I did notice by the time I started using this phone. So that's it, friend. This is a quick unboxing video, and for more videos, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to comment below again. So I'm trying to say to comment because I'll be doing a videos on OnePlus Nord device as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.